Folks, somebody said there was something important coming up. I had to check the calendar, and it was true. What's more important than Mother's Day? We gotta do our tribute to those special ladies right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now you can love Dad and you can have fun with Dad, but I'm telling you, what is a replacement for a mother? There isn't one. I answered that pretty quick. I'm gonna do, hopefully, an over-the-top, beautiful Mother's Day table for you. And we're gonna start off in the plum damask tablecloth that we just showed at our haul. This is what it was for. It's gonna be good. So we haven't seen a table with this yet, because you know we just got it. I like to make sure that's even, of course, all the way around. 70-inch round, 100% cotton. Folks, because it's special, I want to use this made in Germany lead crystal vase. It's a doozy. I think I'm going to want that gold medallion matte in the middle. So we're going to do a quick over-the-top arrangement for Mom. We want it formal to show her that she's important. So you know, formal to me is starting off with a couple of ostrich fern. Now next, this is a nice bunch of lavender I want to put in the middle. And we're going to divide it that way. Okay, my goodness. It's already almost good enough. Beautiful, right? It could be. I hopefully don't need my snips. I want to add this pink element. This is new, coming out in the spring. You see it's not even open yet. These budded branches. How about, to stay on theme, that plum, a couple of berry branches. And I do have some glass beads in the bottom just to keep these where I want them. So I've grabbed up just a handful of things I might want to use. And when I think of elegant, I think of these clustered, beautiful cabbage rose. 3 in a cluster there. It's only a couple of these. And a whisper of pink. Look at that. Maybe on this side. Let's go with something odd and tall, and it's lavender too. More color, I hear. Okay, we're gonna have color because we're gonna really change it up now because it is summer. With these incredible real feel roses you saw in our Hobby Lobby haul. Look at this already coming together. I know I'm going to want to use those. Let's keep it formal with some baby's breath down in. Look what that does. I'm going to give it a turn. Just 2 of these. That's all we're going to need to push that idea. Alrighty. Ooh, man. That's so good already. Let's give that a little tweak. Now I want to balance these closed roses around the rest of the bouquet. Let's see how that works. So I want spring and very feminine colors for Mom, but then, you know, it's summer coming, so I want to incorporate the yellow Looking good. I think something, just an accent piece and little globes. Let me see this. I want it to be striking from all sides. And I'm wondering if we need more yellow, because we have a lot of plum. Hopefully what I'm showing you today is something different. And let's go with this ranunculus. And I think that's going to give us the rest of our summery yellow we need, that I think we need. Well, you know how tough it is. One sitting here left. I might have to go with it. Oh man. I want the tallest one on the inside. You'll see these are two tones of this, so it's even more realistic in my mind. And I'm going to look at that for a bit. Holy moly. I think that's got it. Okay. These little buttes I don't think we need, and I don't want to overdo. I know, hard to believe. There is such a thing. You know, I am aware of it. More is more. More is just plain fun. But there is a point of no return. And it's not completely all about the arrangement today, although it's going to play a big part. Hunting down center. Now, see if you agree. We need plates. Whoop, something else you just saw. Here's our basic celery green IKEA plates. And we're not even going to need a charger because we're doing a luncheon. And this possibly could be the charger in this scenario, and you'll see that more why. Is that proper English? More why. Our inspiration with the tablecloth today, we've only seen them once. It's these incredible dishes by Duchess of England in the fine bone china. Look at this now. You know it goes with the tablecloth, but if you step out of the box with those green leaves, now here's one, same company, but it's a little different pattern, but it's still with the pansies. Okay, now I want that floral pattern the same. Some people don't worry about it. I do. So we're going to be not quite 3 and 9 o'clock on the pansies, if you see. Something like that. Now, as with many collections and things, I only have 4 of those plates. Now I got a really cute substitute, and I've got our beautiful Bavarian cream and sugar with the plums and the fruits. Look at this little beaut. I thought that would go just too cute. Now on the teacup and saucer, guys, I'm gonna shine like a star, because those, I do have 5 now. Last year, it's so funny. That's how tough some of this is. Just last year, we didn't have 5 cups and saucers. I think we had 2. It took me the rest of the year to find 3 more. That's how tough some of this is. Oh my goodness sake. Are you kidding? Oh my, can you see a 12-seater? Oh, that's what I see. We have this glorious Victorian compote. Look at her with the colors. Now I like the handle to center at about 11 o'clock. Now you saw our little sentimental mother's teapot that plays tea for two. Thought it's only appropriate. And you know that'll stop when it's set down. How cute can you get, folks? We're going to have 100% cotton napkin with the gold napkin ring. I'm going to get this dinner knife on the right with the dinner spoon. Even though it's a luncheon, we're having quite a few courses, and split pea and ham soup is one of them. So we want that big soup spoon. Ooh, doesn't that sound good? And if you're not drooling by now, homemade corn muffins. And I mean, they're made with cream corn. They're so moist, they drive you crazy. I think we've got it now. I might have to take you and show you all around. Folks, you know we've been busier than bees getting that kitchen ready for the big reveal Monday. I think you're gonna go crazy over it. But we had to take time out for the moms. There's no replacing them. And I've got to hurry up and do this because I'm not gonna choke this time. I said, I'm not doing it. So take care now. And if you like our Mother's Day elegant luncheon table, please give us a like, a share, a comment, a thumbs up, a lemon, a smiley face. Just a banana barge full of new subscribers. We'll love you forever. We'll do that anyway. See you guys, and follow us on Instagram. Get your decor going. Be good, and God bless.